Welcome everyone to the OUTDURO Scout Festival. It's amazing to see so many adventure riders gathered here for what's sure to be an unforgettable weekend. This festival is all about coming together.
I'm going to take it easy. It's the trails here are pretty slippery today, so yeah.
As in previous year, it's overall a great event. So yeah, so much nice people and all the things that you are doing, all the seminars, all the workouts, the food, of course, the races, and yeah, everything is good, really nice.
Task is like basically all those exercises you can.
For me, it looked good. I want to capture this one from a drone. They really have to be okay with that, and that is very important because when first
got diagnosed with ADV, mountain bike enduro racer. I did that and all the other things. So
Just being completely obsessed, and here we are 3 years later. So we all know how that works.
Many nice, interesting tools, especially for those who are planning some longer trips.
945 points goes to Andis Onzos or Eddie on the bike!
Very good vibes, very fun people, actually nice nature around, so I enjoyed it. Yeah, and fun competitions.
it's been a fantastic event, so well organized, and Also, of course, not only the organizers, but all the people that we meet here. It's just one big family. So yeah, really enjoyed that.
Oh, it's awesome actually. I like all the different stages, the planning, the speakers, everything.